Hello, my gingerbread and jelly bean. I hope everybody is okay. I'm here at the laundromat. Just wake up. Oh Lord. Just wake up. Decided I was fun to use the time to make a little video. Um, Now about one of the many topics that I wanted to talk about. Like I was making a video about one of the topics that my friend Minto, gave me one of the ideas. He wanted me to touch on the topic of relationship and why is it that females in relationship tend to always want to, not all females, but some females, they want to go in the fast lane instead of being humble and working with a guy that can actually get them somewhere in the long run. For example, they have a good boyfriend who's working hard, who's planning for the future and not the now. He's trying to put aside money and do things, you know, smaller things, things that you don't really need to do right now. He pretty much wants to do that, you know, wants to plan and ensure that in the future he can execute those plans. He's financially stable and he's doing all these things and sharing all these ideas. But for her, she's in the know. She wants to do things now. She wants to plant and hype. So basically, what happened is that she now want to be in the fast lane. So she's going to jump to somebody else who's in the fast lane, which is normally an ex guy, jump to them in the fast lane and then get messed up. And when they mess up, when the money run out, when the fun, run out, because it's a quick thrill. It's a quick thrill and that's how we have to look at it. So when that run out now, they tend to fall back and try to get by the guy that was, pushing forward or just planning for his future. And he realized that that caused problem. So my question is why females do that? Why a lot of you females, tend to want to be with a guy that's in the fast lane and not the guy that, want to take the slow and steady pace, the straight and narrow, the guy that wants to put in the groundwork now so his future can be better. Why you can't humble yourself and pretty much, work with that guy. You see, and this is reality now, this is real life, and I know a lot of females will get offended, but you can't take offense to this if you don't, pinch a nerve. If it don't pinch a nerve with you, then you're good. But if it pinch a nerve, it seems like I'm talking to you directly. The message has been, going across. So I want you guys to look into it. If you agree with me, agree with me. If not, but it puzzles me that people, you'll show people that you want to help them. You will be doing stuff to help people, and they literally, you know, refuse that help. It's like they're so stubborn in their ways that they don't see things any other way until it's too late. And when it's too late, that is the time when they say they should have listened, I should have this, I should have that. I'm a coulda. That's what I'm saying. But when people were telling you this before, because what you have to understand, peeps, things happen to people before. People have experiences and they try to share those experiences with you. Is what I'm saying, and you refuse to listen to those lessons, and you refuse to listen to people. You make it look like stick broken in your ears. So what happened is that no, your bucket too, the hammer hit you on the finger, the door slam in your face. Now is the time you want to listen, saying you should have listened. Why you never listen when you had the chance to listen? Oftentimes we talk to people and we lecture them, I will try to show them the danger that they're going into, and they're so stubborn in their ways and they refuse to change, they refuse to budge, they refuse to do what is required to guide them along their journey. And it just pisses me off to the point where I'm like, I don't care anymore. That's what I'm saying. I don't care anymore because they can't be talking to somebody, trying to help somebody, and they don't want to receive your help. It's like a lot of people. You'll be there for people, you'll be there for friends. You ever have a friend yet and a friend come to you about relationship issues, whether they're being abused or treated bad, and you say to the friend, say, leave the man or load a girl there, or you tell them to leave the person alone. Just leave the person alone, be by yourself, or find somebody else. You just give them that, just leave them. You don't need this person. You give them the reason behind it, and They say, yeah, man, yeah, that's true. It's so true. I need to leave him and all that. And then 2 minutes later, that's them again. You know what I mean? Them same ones. It's like a waste of time. So people are like that. People are going to do what they want to do. People are going to take the part that they want to take. And then sometimes they turn around and blame me and say, oh, if you had told me this and that. But yeah, if the person had told you, you still would have do what you wanted to do. People do what they want to do. People have a choice in life. And a lot of people choose the not so wise choice in life. And we have to realize that and not waste our energy on people like that because we can't save the world. You understand? We can't, we alone can't save the world. So I can't save the world, so I'm not trying to save people. If I'm trying to help you, I don't, I'm a help, then I keep it pushing, I don't know, I keep moving forward. You know, that's how I see it. That's how I look at life now, because it's like, give people the energy that deserve it. Give people the energy that wants it. Give people the energy that deserve it. And a lot of people out there deserve it. And they'll show you that they deserve your time and energy. So try to tune in and invest your time and energy into the people that really need it. You know, those are the people that will change their life, that will probably help to change your life. Because they're listening. You know what I mean? And it's good when people can give you input as well. It's not always a one-way street where you're always giving advice. It's good to take advice as well. And it's always good to take your own advice. Like me, for example, you know, I give a lot of advice and I take it as well. You know, I try to practice what I preach as much as possible, 90% of the time. You know, I practice what I preach. So that makes, it makes it easier for me now. Oh, excuse me. The sleep creeping in. It makes it easier now for me to talk to people because I'm practicing what I preach, I'm speaking from experience. And once you do that, then you learn more. And experience teaches wisdom. They always tell you that. So, you know, the first thing I touch on, because I know I went into a lot of topic. Um, so basically, why people, why females don't want to be with a guy that's, secure in the future, why they go into the fast lane. For the females that have done this before or you were once like this, you can leave a comment below and, tell me. Also, don't waste your time and energy on these said people, you know. Use it wisely, talk to people who need it. You can talk, but conserve your energy and your time. Don't be frustrated and flustered with these people because some of them are energy drainer and they only come into your circle to disturb your peace. And you have to keep mind of that people disturb your peace regardless. Some people don't care about you at all. Some people just want, you know, some people just want you to just be there, be there and just work. They just want you to be there and invest all the time and energy and they don't give you anything in return. So we have to be mindful of that as well. I just want to say thanks again for watching. Remember, I have the GoFundMe set up to buy a new camera. I'm outside now, behind the laundromat, filming. That's the laundromat. This is the laundromat there, filming and stuff. So, as I can see, peeps, anyway, I get little time, I'll shoot a little video, washing some clothes before I go work. But I just want to pass on this message because I was in a good mood, my mind was clear and I just wanted to make this quick video and send it up. And it's almost 10 minutes, so 10 minutes worth of content. That's not bad, for a Friday. So I just wanted to get uploaded, hopefully, and it don't stress me out. Yeah. So remember, I have a GoFundMe. I'll put the GoFundMe link in the description. So down below you can find the GoFundMe link to help me buy a new camera. I'm still working on that. I'm still busy. My schedule free up, then I'll let you guys know my schedule free up. Otherwise, from that, it's the same me keeping positive, helping, sharing, talking to people, supporting people, and you should do the same too. We're never too busy to help and love and care for people. We're never too busy to help one another. We're never too busy to take up the phone and check up on somebody. Give them a text message, anything like that. If you remember, because a lot of things, there's so much things that people do on a day-to-day basis they literally don't remember, to call a family or a friend. So that happens sometimes. So yeah, One love, everybody. Mark Plunky, J Vlogs. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all the support. Welcome to all the new subscribers for Gingerbread and Jelly Bean. Appreciate all of you guys. So give the video a thumbs up. Remember, like, subscribe, share. Support me on GoFundMe. Thanks a whole lot. Means a lot to me. So I'm out. Fat nose boy, fat nose boy, fat nose boy. My God.